Hello my hair warriors, it's me, Aaron O'Brien, your friendly neighborhood hairdresser. Have I grown my beard to look even more fabulous? No, I haven't. This is a frontal hairpiece that we are going to show you step by step how it's used for anyone with a receding hairline, and I have my cameraman James who's going to sit in the hot seat and have this put right on. Are you excited, James?
Oh yeah.
This video is sponsored by Lordhair.com, where you can get these fabulous frontal pieces and all the fabulous hair pieces I show in my videos. So come on, follow me. Let's go, guys and gals, we'll get started. So we have our frontal hairpiece ready to go, and we also have our tape. You can use glue if you like also. So basically you're going to take your tape and you're going to put it around the frontal of this hairpiece and on the bottom too. It's very easy to do, and what I love about these frontal hairpieces as well are the thin skins. They're very realistic, very lightweight. You don't feel like you're even wearing this. These are amazing. I have many clients that use them and they swear by them. You're gonna take your tape, not like this. Even the experts get it wrong. This is actually Lordhair tape. I love this, it lasts a long time. What's great about these tapes from Lordhair.com is you have a little tab without any tape on it, and you simply just peel back and you are left with some clear tape on it, and you are ready to go and stick it onto my lovely friend James's head. What's great about these as well is you can cut it in half to put your puzzle together. So you can put it on the edge here, just filling in that jigsaw puzzle the whole way around. And then we're going to also place some tape just along the edges here. So I'm going to finish this off. Once we have all the tape adhered, we're going to put it on James' head so he can feel like he is like a supermodel. So we have my beautiful cameraman here, James, and so what we want to do is fill in these areas around here and adhere it to his frontal, because he wants his hairline a little bit lower, so it just feels that bit fuller and thicker, and he can swing his hair around like nobody's business. So we have our nipple clips ready, and we're going to put these into James's hair to make sure that we have everything pinned back like this. We have our hairpiece all taped and ready to go. We are going to place this along the hairline like this. Just put your head back for me, James, a little bit so I can see. We're going to place it around the front and move it right in against the edge of his receding hairline. Once we have this down, just apply pressure. You can use a towel and just place on here if you like, applying as much pressure so we can make sure that it adheres nicely to the head. We're gonna get a scissors that I forgot to get again. I'll be right back. And a comb. Where's my comb? Oh, here we go. I got a comb. All right, scissors, combs, ready to go. We wanna blend this in with his natural hair. So the first thing I do is take care of the length at the front of the system. So you're gonna bring the natural hair up straight like this. Then you're gonna take the frontal system here and you're going to cut and connect the same lengths as the natural hair and bring it forward. So then it's gonna create a nice, beautiful blend. James will be living his best hair life. So if you want something to look a little bit more textured, you can point cut by placing the scissors in at an angle and point cut in, blending, giving a more jagged edge, which will give a more natural look. Just make sure you don't cut your own natural hair or you're fucked. So here we have it, the reveal of the fabulous James, who is basically on his knees, so he's the same height as me, because I'm so small. But you can see how amazing this frontal piece looks. It's unbelievable. So if anyone does have a receding hairline, you could look just as good as the fabulous James. Are you happy with it?
I love it.
Yeah, you look so good. Oh, all right, James. Go take over the world. Fly, my pretty. Thank you so much for watching my videos, and thanks to Lordhair.com for sponsoring these fabulous videos too. Don't forget to check out all of my content. Click the links below, follow all of that good stuff, and see y'all soon.